everyone, welcome to my channel. Imagine a tool that transforms your notes into vibrant mind maps with just a few clicks. At NotebookLM.google.com, users can effortlessly extract key ideas from their content, turning them into visually engaging mind maps. Simply head over to NotebookLM.google.com and log in to your Google account. Click on Create New and upload your content. Once uploaded, click on Mind Map and then start interacting with your content in a logical, structured manner. This tool allows for easy organization of thoughts, enabling users to connect concepts intuitively. With this amazing free resource, brainstorming becomes a dynamic experience, empowering users to visualize their ideas like never before.
Like and subscribe.